For loop, integer I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 10, I plus plus. System dot out dot println I. What is output? 1 to 10. If I double equal to 5, break. What is output? 1 to 4. This total code I am writing in another loop. Integer j equal to 1, j less than or equal to 3, j plus plus. Now, this total code I am writing in another loop. Now, you already studied only this part. What is output? 1 to 4. How many times iterated? Then what will be the output? 1 to 4, 3 times. So whenever break executed, it will terminate inner loop only. Outer loop continued. Okay. Say file, save. Compilation, execution. See 1 to 4, 1 to 4, 1 to 4. 1 to 4, 3 times. Okay. 1 to 4, 3 times. So here, whenever break executed, it will come out of inner loop only. Outer loop not terminated. Write this example. So whenever break executed, it will come out of inner loop. Out of inner loop. After this, j plus plus. So when break executed, it terminates the nearest enclosing loop. Whichever loop is near, that loop terminated. Whichever loop is near, that loop terminated. So out of inner loop. After that, j plus plus. It is continued. So what is the output? 1 to 4, 3 times. 1 to 4, 3 times. 1 to 4, 3 times. Is it completed? So you can write n number of loops. That execution process is there, no? That is same. There is no change. Say first int j equal to 1. After that, j less than or equal to 3. True. It will enter. I equal to 1. 1 less than or equal to 10. True. It will enter. 1 double equal to 5. False. Out of this I printed. I plus plus. Again 2 less than or equal to 10. Like this, it will rotate. Once if it is I value 5, break. It breaks the inner loop. After that, outer loop continued. Okay. So break statement terminates the nearest enclosing loop. You can write any number of loops. Whichever loop is near, that loop only can be terminated. Okay. You can write for loop, n number of. Wherever you write break, no, for that whichever is near, that loop is going to be terminated. That's what output 1 to 4, 3 times. Now, with this break, this loop terminated. With this break, if you want to terminate this loop, we required one more concept, break label. This is a new concept. It is not there in C++. It is a new concept. Next, write it. Break label statement. Break label statement. Break label statement. It terminates the specified label statement. It's terminated specified label loop. It terminates a specified label loop. Here, break is a keyword. Here, break is a keyword and label is an identifier. It terminates a specified label loop. Here, break is a keyword and label is an identifier. It terminates a specified label loop. Here, break is a keyword and label is an identifier. So, break compulsory small letter C outright. But label capital also valid, small also valid, mixed also valid. A number of we can write. Okay. Now, break label. Break is a keyword, compulsory small letters. But label, identifier. Identifier rules you have to follow. If you write all capital also valid, all small letter also valid, mixed also valid. But identifier rules you have to follow. For better understanding, we are going to write capital. But it is not compulsory. Now, see, what I'll do, see here, one label I'll write something first. Here one label I'll write something second. Here, break first, if I write, first loop terminated. Break second, if I write, second loop terminated. If I don't write anything, second loop terminated. Make a nearest. So break first if you write, first loop terminated. Break second if you write, second loop terminated. If you don't write anything, second loop only terminated. Now I am writing break first. Say how it is executed. You observe first J value 1. 1 less than or equal to 3. True. It will enter. I value 1. 1 less than or equal to 10. True. It will enter. 1 double equal to 5. False. 1 printed. After that, I becomes 2. 2 less than or equal to 10. True. 2 double equal to 5. False. 2 printed. 3 double equal to 5. False. Printed. 4 double equal to 5. False. Printed. 5. 5 less than or equal to 10. True. 5 double equal to 5. True. Break first. It is first loop terminated. That means it will come out of outer loop. And program terminated. Out of outer loop now. Previous program out of inner loop. Now out of outer loop. Break first. First loop terminated. Then stop put. So how many times one output printed? One time. 1 to 4, one time. But previous output, 3 times. Now see, file, save. Compilation, execution. Say 1, 2, 4, 3 times. Sorry, one time. If I write break second, now second loop terminated. After that, J plus plus again started. How many? What is output? 1, 2, 4, 3 times. If you don't write label, now also same, no change. You'll get output 1, 2, 4, 3 times. Then writing label is waste. Okay, writing label is no use. If you write this label also nothing, no use. So if you want to terminate outer loops, then only it will be useful. If you want to terminate inner loop, only break also works. Break label is not required. Okay. If you want to terminate outer loop, in that situation, break label. Write this example. Whenever break first executed, it will come out of first loop. Out of first loop. I written first and second. That is whatever you want, you can write. Whatever you want, you can write. Over. So break first out of first loop. Break second out of second loop. Only break out of second loop only. Only break also same. Inner loop only terminated. So if you want to terminate second loop, break label is not required. Only break also works. Is it over? This output is 1, 2, 4, one time. 1, 2, 4, one time. 1, 2, 4, one time. Now, n number of you can write first loop, second loop, third loop, fourth loop, whichever you want to terminate, that label you can write. That label loop is going to be terminated. Okay. This is about break label. Next concept. Continue. Note down. Continue statement. It passes the control to the next iteration of a loop. It passes the control to the next iteration of a loop. It passes the control to the next iteration of a loop. So continue statement, it will continues. That's what next iteration. It passes the control to the next iteration of a loop. Break statement breaks the loop. Continue statement continues the loop. But control passes to next iteration. I'll show you with the example. Is it over? Say for loop integer I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 10, I plus plus. System dot out dot println I. Output 1 to 10. If I double equal to 5 break, output 1 to 4. Now you observe. Continue. Here, first I value 1. 1 less than or equal to 10. True. It will enter. 1 double equal to 5. False. 1 printed. Next it becomes 2. 2 less than or equal to 10. True. 2 double equal to 5. False. 2 printed. 3. 3 less than or equal to 10. True. 3 double equal to 5. False. 3 printed. 4. 4 less than or equal to 10. True. 4 double equal to 5. False. 4 printed. Next 5. 5 less than or equal to 10. True. 5 double equal to 5. True. Continue. What I given? It passes the control to the next iteration of a loop. So from here, control pass to I plus plus. 5 will not be printed. After that, 6. 6 less than or equal to 10. True. 6 double equal to 5. False. 6 printed. 7. 7 less than or equal to 10. 7 double equal to 5. False. 7 printed. Like that up to 10. 10 less than or equal to 10. True. 10 double equal to 5. False. 10 printed. 11. 11 less than or equal to 10. False. Stop it. What is output? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 to 4 and 6 to 10. 1 to 10 except 5. See, file, save. Compilation, execution. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 to 10 except 5. 1 to 4 and 6 to 10. See, whenever continue executed, control comes to I plus plus. Remaining already you studied. For loop, how it is executed, you already studied. If condition, how it is executed, you already studied. Now continue today concept. This continue continues the loop. So output 1 to 4 and 6 to 10. Note. Output 1 to 4 and 6 to 10. Write this. One to 4 and 6 to 10. 1 to 10 except 5. Is it over? See, the execution process, you have to remember With that knowledge, you can give answers for code snippets, other code snippet. Say, first of all, now here every question you are giving multiple answers. If you listen with concentration, all people can give right answer. It is possible. Say, for loop already completed. If condition already completed. What is new? Only continue. Okay. When continue executed, what will happen? It comes to updation. Next iteration. That's it. See, once again, I'll explain for loop also, if condition also, and continue also. Listen with concentration. Next code snippet, at least try to give answer, right answer, all students. Okay. Now, first what will happen? See, int I, because just this is C language type only. Actual Java, Monday, just one more day. Monday onwards, majority will give wrong answers. That will be happen. Because this is C language type. That's what majority giving right answers. But Monday onwards, maybe majority will give wrong answers also. It will be happen. So Monday onwards, you need to put more efforts. It is completely different. Not like this. Actual Java begins on Monday. Every class important, every minute important. Total Java depends on object-oriented programming topic only. Most of the people, they are struggling while learning advanced Java, while learning Android, Selenium, these are other courses. For all other courses, object-oriented programming prerequisite. For advanced Java also, that topic required. For Android also, that topic required. If the person is saying advanced Java hard, that meaning he is not perfect in object-oriented programming. The person is saying Selenium hard, that meaning also is not perfect in object-oriented programming. Many courses, that topic is prerequisite. Android, Salesforce, cloud computing, SAP NetWeaver, and Oracle Labs, Oracle ADF, many courses. Core Java, object-oriented programming topic, prerequisite. That's what that is the most important topic. Even if you want to get a job in MNC, interview purpose also, that topic only important. That topic most important. This is C language type. Because here IT student, non-IT student, all are there. That is the reason I covered these also. Actually, this is not Java, C language type only. Only what is there? Class, main method, system.out.println and new. Remaining is C. So those who didn't join in C class also, for those people I taught this one. This is not actual Java. Actual Java begins from Monday. Okay. Because IT, non-IT, all students will be there. I have to take care about all students. That's what I taught these all. Okay. Actual Java, Monday onwards. Monday onwards, you should be very regular. Every class important, every minute important. Okay. Now, I value 1. After that, 1 less than or equal to 10. True. It will enter. Then, I double equal to 5. False. I printed. After that, I becomes 2. 2 less than or equal to 10. True. It will enter. 2 double equal to 5. False. 2 printed. 3. 3 less than or equal to 10. True. 3 double equal to 5. False. 3 printed. 4. 4 less than or equal to 10. True. 4 double equal to 5. False. 4 printed. 5. 5 less than or equal to 10. True. 5 double equal to 5. True. Then continue. Then continue. It won't print 5. It comes here. 6. 6 less than or equal to 10. True. 6 double equal to 5. False. 6 printed. 7 printed. 8, 9, 10. 11 less than or equal to 10. False. Then out of. Then out of. Okay. So that's what output 1 to 4 and 6 to 10. Little bit I'll change. Try to give answer now. Okay. I greater than 5. Give me answer. One to 5, 7 to 10. 1 to 5. 1 to 4. 1 to 4, 1 to 5, 1 to 5 and 7 to 10. I think up to last class multiple answers will be continued. So logical skills, lots of practice required. Online students, what are your answers? 6 to 10, 1 to 5, 1 to 5 and 7 to 10, 1 to 4. Same, your answers only they given. 1 to 4 they given, 1 to 5 they given, 1 to 6 and 7 to 10 they given. Any other answer? How many people answer 1 to 4? 1 to 4. Just raise your hand. 1 to 4 given, no? Your answer changed. Okay. Online students, 6 members, 1 to 4, 7 members. How many people answer 1 to 5 and 7 to 10? 1 to 5 and 7 to 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 10. Okay. How many people answer 1 to 5? Okay, majority people 1 to 5. Okay. Online students 41, 42. Okay. Say I value 1. 1 less than or equal to 10. 2. It will enter. 1 greater than 5. False. Printed. 2. 2 less than or equal to 2 greater than 5. False. Printed. 3 greater than 5. False. Printed. 4 greater than 5. False. Printed. 5 greater than 5. False. Printed. 6 greater than 5. True. Continue. It comes to I++. It won't print. 7 greater than 5. True. Continue. It won't print. 10 greater than 5. True. Continue. 11 less than or equal to 10. False. So output 1 to 5. Majority people given right answer, but I'm expecting all people because already many times you have seen. Like a for loop iteration, many times you studied. No? So output 1 to 5. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, this one. Output 1 to 5. 1 to 5. 6 greater than 5 continue. 7 greater than 5 continue. 10 greater than 5 continue. It won't print. Is it completed? Now, I less than 5. I less than 5. 6 to 10. 5 to 10. 6 to 10. Any other answer? 5 to 10, 6 to 10. Any other answer? Other than these two answer is there? Is there any difficulty? True means continue. False means printed. Five to 10, 6 to 10. Any other answer? How many people answer 5 to 10? Okay. Online students. How many will answer 6 to 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Online students. 24. Say 1 less than 5, true or false? Then what will happen? Continue, it won't print. 2 less than 5. Continue. 3 less than 5. Continue. 4 less than 5. Continue. 5 less than 5, true or false? 5 less than 5? False means printed, no? False means printed. True means continue. Here, true means continue. False means printed. Like that, you are doing mistake means Java mistake. But 5 less than 5, true or false mistake means that is mathematics mistake. Okay. 5 less than 5, true or false? False. But false means printed, no? So, here, 5 less than 5, false, printed. 1 less than 5, true, continued. 2 less than 5, true, continued. Like that. 6 less than 5, false, printed. So, 5 to 10. File, save. Five to 10. Now, try this one. Output 5 to 10. Already 3 examples you written. No need to write remaining. Just give answers. Only give answers. Okay. I less than or equal to 5. I less than or equal to 5. What is the output? 6 to 10. Okay. Because less than or equal to time also continued. So 1 less than or equal to 5, true, continue. 2 less than or equal to 5, continue. Like that, 5 less than or equal to 5 also true, continue. 6 onwards printed. Okay, 6 to 10. Suppose I greater than or equal to 5. Here true means continue. False means printed. 1 to 4. Because 5 greater than or equal to 5, true, then continued. Okay. So 1 to 4 only printed. Suppose I not equal to 5, continue. What is printed? Only 5. 1 not equal to 5, true, continue. 2 not equal to 5, true, continue. Like that, 5 not equal to 5 false. That is only printed. See, file, save. 5 not equal to 5 false. At the time only printed. Only 5. Okay. So like this, n number of examples you can write. Concept is same. How for loop executed, you should know. How if condition executed, you should know. When continue executed, what will happen, you should know. That's it. Okay. This is continue statement. Suppose if I write more than one loop, for loop integer I equal to 1, I less than or equal to suppose 3, I plus plus. This loop how many times iterated? 3 times. Integer j equal to 1, j less than or equal to 10, j plus plus. This loop how many times iterated? 10 times. If I print j, what is output? 1 to 10, 3 times. If I double equal to 5, continue. 1 to 4 and 6 to 10, 3 times. Because this is just now you studied. It will print 1 to 4 and 6 to 10. How many times iterated? 3 times. Okay. Now, suppose I less than 5. I less than 5 continue. 5 to 10. How many times? So concept is same. This total code, these many times iterated. Okay. Like that. Here, less than or equal to or greater than or equal to whatever you want, you can change. Now, this concept is same. These many times iterated. So, file, save. Compilation, execution. See, 1 to 4, 6 to 10, 1 to 4, 6 to 10. When continue executed, control from here where it comes? J plus plus or I plus plus? What is it? J plus plus. This loop only it comes. Okay. Write this one. Output 1 to 4, 6 to 10, 3 times. What is it? Any doubt? Sorry. Okay, J. J double equal to 5, continue. I value never become 5. I value never become 5. Because I value up to 3 only given. Write this program. When continue executed, control comes to J plus plus. Output 1 to 4 and 6 to 10, 3 times. 1 to 4 and 6 to 10, 3 times. Is it our output 1 to 4 and 6 to 10 three times? 1 to 4 and 6 to 10, because this output you studied, this is only three times. Okay, this is only three times. Now, whenever continue executed, control comes to J++. If you want I++, we have another concept, continue label statement. Next, write it. Continue label statement. It passes the control to the next iteration of specified label loop. Here, break is a keyword. Continue is a keyword. And label is an identifier. It passes the control to the next iteration of specified label loop. Here, continue is a keyword and label is an identifier. It passes the control to the next iteration of specified label loop. Here, continue is a keyword and label is an identifier. It is a keyword, compulsory small letters. It is identifier. Identifier rules you have to follow. Capital or small or mixed, but rules you have to follow. Now you can specify whichever loop you want to continue, that label you can write. Whichever loop you want to continue. Is it over? Just label a latex. Here. First. Here. Second. Here. Continue first. Then from whenever this is executed, it comes to I++. Now you can give answer possible. When continue first executed, control comes to I++. 1 to 4. Whenever continue first executed, control comes to I++. Then give me answer. 1 to 4, 3 times. That's it. Okay, it will not come again. Like when J value 5, continue first, it comes I++, again J started with 1. That's what 1 to 4, 3 times. Suppose if I write continue second, 1 to 4, 6 to 10, 3 times. If I don't write second, same. There is no change. Okay, if you want outer loop, then required. Save. File, save. Compilation, execution. Say 1 to 4, 3 times. Write this one. Whenever continue first executed, I++. I becomes again 2. J starts with 1. 1, 2, 4, 3 times. Oh, is it over? Say I value 1, 1 less than or equal to 3. Here, the execution process I'll explain. Listen with concentration. I value 1, 1 less than or equal to 3. True, it will enter. J value 1, 1 less than or equal to 10. True, it will enter. 1 double equal to 5. False. 1 printed. J plus plus 2, 2 less than or equal to 10. True. Like that, 2 printed, 3 printed, 4 printed. Then J value 5. 5 less than or equal to 10. True. It will enter. 5 double equal to 5. True. Continue first. First loop continued. Then I plus plus. Again I started 2. 2 less than or equal to 3. True. It will enter. Again 1. Again 1, 2, 4 printed. 5. Whenever 5, I plus plus. Third time. Again 1, 2, 4. I value 4. 4 less than or equal to 3. False. Stop it. Okay. Output 1, 2, 4, 3 times. Now, continue label means label. Whichever label you specify, that loop continued. Okay. If you don't specify any label, nearest loop continued. Okay. That is a concept. This comes under object-oriented programming. That is later. Total, how many statements I given? Total 15. Out of 15, 3 statements I didn't teach. In a first category, switch statement. Second category, enhanced for loop. Third category, return. These 3 comes under object-oriented programming. That is later. Okay. Now, today also one exam. Okay. You should be ready. Sudden test already I told you. This one, total 10 questions are there. 10 questions are there. 10 minutes time. Okay. Total 10 questions are there. 10 minutes time. It is just only operations on data. Okay. So now 8:35 up to 8:45. Online students, don't write your answers in chat box. Write in notebook only. Notebook only write. 10 questions are there. 10 minutes time. But Each and every line, each and every character you have to observe. Each and every line, each and every character you have to observe. If error is there, write error. If output is there, output. No discussions, no discussions. Whatever you know, that is write it. Because this is only for understanding your status. But if you discuss with your friend, you will not get your status. If you discuss, you will not get your status. With that status, how much practice required, you'll understand. That's what don't discuss with your friend. And don't open previous class notes. Okay, previous class notes also don't open. Online student, don't execute on system. Because they may execute online student. Completed. So whatever you know, that is write it. but don't discuss with your friend to write answers. You will not understand your status. So this is only for understanding your status. If you get a 0 also, nothing will happen. Based on that, how much practice required, you'll understand. Three minutes left. Those who completed also, once you check it out, each and every character you have to observe. Each and every character. Each and every character you have to observe. Now, time is over. Okay, I'll explain. See, say, first one, byte A equal to 10, short B equal to 3, int C equal to A plus B. Byte plus short, result is integer. Is it valid or not valid? What is output? 13. So first one output 13. Second one int a equal to 3, float b equal to 4.24 f, int c equal to a plus b. Int plus float assigned to int, is it comes under 19 or 23? Is it valid? Not valid. So it's an error. It is error. Explicit conversion required. That's what it's an error. Char a equal to a, into b equal to 3, float c equal to a plus b. Character plus integer assigned to float comes under 19 or 23. So it is valid. But what is the c value? A value 97 plus 3, 100.0. Explicitly converted to integer. Then d value 100. Integer converted to integer only. Again 100. Integer assigned to character. Is it comes under 19 or 23? So it is error. It's an error. Here actually, what is required here in the brackets? Character required. But again, I given integer. Then writing conversion is base, that is. Okay. Now, Boolean a equal to true, int b equal to a plus 1. A is a Boolean type. 1 nothing but integer type. Boolean plus integer. Error. It is not valid. It's an error. Fourth one also error. Fifth one. Float a equal to 3.24. Float b equal to 7.26. Float plus float. Float assigned to double comes under 19 or 23. 19. It is valid. It is 10.5. 10.50. 5 also okay. 50 also okay. Now. Char equal to a. First, this line is valid or not valid? Valid, because C capital I given. This is not a reserved word. So valid. Short, valid. Character plus short. Integer assigned to int. Valid. So it is capital I, valid. 65 plus 1. 66. 66. Seventh one. Char a equal to a. Valid or not valid? Double quotes. Double quotes is string literal. It is character literal, single quotes required. So first line only error. First line only error. These all no need to check. First line only error. So seventh one error. That's what every character you have to observe, I said. Okay. Those who are written also, once again you check it, I said. Now. Here, eighth one. Integer underscore dollar underscore. Is it valid identifier? Valid. Dollar underscore dollar. Only dollar. Valid. So all are valid here. Now, this underscore dollar underscore is integer type. Dollar underscore dollar is byte type. Integer plus byte, integer. So it is valid. What is the output? 8. Output 8. Ninth. Is it valid identifier? A underscore B. Valid. It is also valid. It is byte plus short. Integer. So valid. So 10 plus 20, 30. Now, Boolean true equal to false. First line valid or not valid? Valid. I am printing true. Output false. True is a variable here. This false is a literal here. So true, valid. So output false. It is nothing, only printing identifier. So true is a variable which contains false. True is a variable which contains false. Now, online students, just respond in chat box. How many marks you got it? Those who got less marks also, no need to worry, just respond. Those who got less marks also, no need to worry, just respond. Now, those who got 10 out of 10, just raise your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Online students? 8. Okay. 17 members. Those who got 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, many people are there. Okay. Those who got 8? 8 majority students are there. Okay. Remaining people, you need to practice more and more. Okay. Minimum 8 marks compulsory. Okay. In a software company also, minimum 80% marks required. 80% marks required. Not 40, 50 like academic pass like that. Okay. For getting job, 80% minimum required. Sometimes 80% also you may not get. It will be happen. We'll see continuation tomorrow. Online students, Charanjit. First loop executed, then what about inner loops? In break label, break first means first loop terminated. That means second also terminated. Arpana. Continue topic. Continue topic. Say. Say. Whenever condition true, continue executed. It will come to J++. False means printed. So continue continues the loop. Remaining part is same. So whenever J value 5, continue. Then it comes. Kailas. Yeah, I'll upload the notes. Ranjan. HTML, CSS, JavaScript batch. Advanced Java, it takes time because core Java exception handling topic also required. Sahil, char A equal to double quotes A. That is error because single quotes required. Hari Gopal. I place J, if you write J value, you have to check that tracing required. According to that, output comes. Sahil, this is double quotes. If you write, error comes. I think previous dot class file running. Previous dot class file running, you check it out. Not this program. First compile. Compile time only error comes. Divyasri. Yeah, I'll share notes. Ranjan, not now. Advanced Java parallel is started, but you cannot understand. You need to wait until completion of exception handling topic. You have to wait.